I built this low profile deck in pergola 1 year ago and it has completely transformed how we host in our backyard. We kind of balled out on the build and I'm glad we did because it has held up great. But we did cut corners on our seating set and it's starting to show badly. Now our Lowe's table claimed to be aluminum but has since started rusting. And our Amazon chairs looked great and are surprisingly comfortable, but they started to wear out just after a few years. So we told ourselves it was time that our outdoor seating set matched the beauty of our aluminum pergola. So we teamed up with Mirador to level up our backyard once again. Today, their 4-piece fire pit and seating set was delivered easily into the garage. It was efficiently packaged for literally the least amount of assembly I have ever experienced. Now, Mirador is a premium brand. They certainly aren't the cheapest, but I'm a believer that you get what you pay for. So first, we carefully cut open the fireplace box to unveil the wildly classy aluminum table with an integrated fire pit. That was good. This was 100% assembled. Just dump the included lava rocks and you're good to go. Next, we cut open the seating set where the pillows were bursting out of the top, making for some fiery shots when cutting off the bands. This too was brilliantly packed, making it easy to cut open and shake out in our garage. All of the aluminum was 100% covered in a thin foam protection, so I'd be surprised if you came across any shipping damage. Once we removed the couch and unveiled 2 seat bases requiring a handful of bolts to mount them to the chairs. These bases were one of my favorite parts as they make the chairs look much more luxury than normal feet and allow them to swivel and slightly rock. Now this only took 10-ish minutes with the help of an impact, so we are officially ready to install some pillows and test out the seating with all of our friends.
Hey friend, how's it going?
Yeah, it's pretty comfy. I like the angled back. Now, if you guys are new here, know that we primarily produce automotive content, but also find time for videos like these, as we absolutely live for home DIY projects. So consider subscribing to help support the channel, and drop a comment down below if you have any fun backyard ideas. As we set this up, you'll notice the 10x13 Mirador gazebo on top of our 16x16 foot Trex deck. I say gazebo as this was a specific series Mirador offered without a louvered roof that has since been discontinued. Although I can't speak for their pergolas, I can at least attest to the absolute insane build quality. Ours literally looks as good as the day we installed it and has no signs of wear or fading, unlike some of our friends who decided to go a cheaper route. All right, you guys, now let's check it out because it literally turned our pergola area into an outdoor living room. It looks so much better than it did before. First, let's talk about finish because this is the part that looks the most cohesive with our pergola. As you can tell, it has a nice powder coated finish. This is called their charcoal color. Just looks really, really nice. This is all aluminum as well. So the charcoal matches the pergola perfectly. And then it also has these aluminum panels. So these are not actual wood. This is just a vinyl wrapped aluminum panel that also matches the ceiling of the pergola very well. And then as you can tell, we have these lava rocks right here in a nice light gray. So the fit and finish of this just looks absolutely fantastic. And then you can tell with these recliners and the sofa, you can tell it has this really nice fabric right here in a light tan, very cushiony material. These are supposed to be waterproof, mold proof, and stain resistant. So it looks very, very nice and classy. As you can tell, they also do brand, but very slightly, so it's really inconspicuous. They're not here to show off all of their logos, and it just looks really nice. Now those recliners, as you can see, they swivel and they rock, and they look really classy as well. So not only do these kind of have that wood look and the aluminum kind of charcoal finish, the couch does as well. So all of it kind of ties together nicely. Now for the fire pit area, as you can see, we have a bottle opener on the side, which is pretty convenient, which also acts as a handle. So as we pull that out, you can see that is where the propane storage is on this massively heavy duty slider. And then also, nice and inconspicuous, is the controls for the fire pit. So all you do is kind of push this in and you can hear the gas going, and then right there is where you ignite it. Now we have this turned up to about medium because it is really windy out, but that on full blast has some nice tall flames that will look a little bit better at night. We'll check that out here in a few, but I gotta say that is a nice linear tube with holes on both sides so it evenly spreads that flame. Again, all stainless steel hardware, and it looks incredibly classy. Now it's important to protect your investments from the elements, so Mirador includes a full set of custom fit covers with drawstrings on the bottom to really seal them in. Although these are lighter than ones that we've had in the past, I'm hoping they don't break down from the sun as fast. If you made it this far, you are either like us and in the market for a seating set, or you really value quality. Or you're just my family trying to support my cringy videos. Nevertheless, here are some additional shots for exactly what to expect before you make the purchase. We really appreciate you watching, and feel free to jump over to our deck build video to see exactly how we even got here. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll catch you soon. Peace out.